Malamig pala rito.
Second floor po. Ay, sabi niya kasi anong floor.
Hello, wait lang, ang suset. Hello, Ma'am She on the go. Alam mo, naka-follow ako sa'yo sa Facebook. Talagang nakikita ko ang mga pinopost mo. At kasama ko siya ngayon. Interview natin siya. Anong masasabi mo, Ma'am She on the go?
How to be you po.
In-interview. Marian Lay. Oh. Hi, Marian Lay. So, na magkita tayo soon, baby girl. Nakikita ko yung mga pictures mo sa Facebook. See you soon!
So, hello guys. For today's video, andito ako ngayon sa event ng SNJ Beauty. So, dito yung registration booth nila kung saan kayo magpapa-register or naka-register kayo. Dito nyo po hanapin yung name niya sa list. And ito yung photo booth.
Video, tapos picture.
1, 2, 3. Sa pawa. Next. 1, 2,
kalalakihan, at sa lahat ng at nagwagabuhan namin bagong endorser, really truly begins with it. And through it all, Miss Jazz leads with grace. So today we're putting this project.
3. Pinahira. Power bank mo? Sabi ko power bank ko. Kung meron ko ay start mo. Power bank mo. Ano talaga? Waiter na ako.
Pagkagising mo, fresh and no. Kasi that is a beautiful lived experience, everyone. That even as a mother who has such a strenuous job taking care of your kids and of course taking care of the home, you are still given this luxury of shining in the best version of yourself because of really first time.
If we're running in SNJ Beauties Milky Avocado.
Comments! Max is the official face of our curvy coffee, a blend made for strong, confident women who glow from the inside out. Welcome to the SNJ Beauty family, Max. Thank you so much for bringing your glow and energy to tonight's event. And now, ladies and gentlemen,
Confident and their sexiest selves, diba? So can we give sa lahat ng gusto maging sexy with curvy coffee, yan, we're so happy to share this with you guys. Thank you.
So with that, let us please raise our gentlemen to a glow that never fades. Cheers!
SNJ Beauty. Thank you so much.
Or sabi mo na lang din, Ma'am She on the go. SNJ.
Ma'am,
Ma'am She on the go.
okay.
Okay na. Game? Ma'am She on the go, SNJ Beauty. Thank you. Picture mo na. Sigaw kayo, SNJ Beauty. 1, 2, 3, go.
SNJ Beauty! As you can see, what you're on to say is a little so flat, a little
I'm extremely tired, but actually the avocado milk is what's keeping me right today. So again, I'm so happy.
from another event. Anthony just put in all his effort and all his time to get here. So thank you so much, Anthony. It just shows how much love and care you have for this event. Everyone, can you please give a warm round of applause right now, who really rushed to get here. Thank you so much for your presence.
I would just recommend everybody try it.
What do you think about your first project? Kung titigil mo, kasali ka ng mga parang horror, non-horror.
Yes, actually I was very, very surprised because, you know, many people thought I would be receiving a rom-com. So for me to receive a Gen Z horror film, it was obviously very, very fun, you know. Most of those house... oh yes, so we finished the movie shooting now. And yeah, now it's in post-production. Obviously it's with a lot of my friends there too, so it's my first film. I learned a lot, learned so much from it, and also, you know, there are some actors in there too I was able to really learn from, so I'm just excited for you guys to see that. Lahat namin sa
Alam mo, interviewin din natin yung
You know what? She had told me that making Ligaw, guys will vote to her place to clean her home, and I'm like, really? And yes, I'm learning.
Is she the first Ligawan?
There's really no rush. There's no rush in it. I don't want to rush things. And you know, we're in such a beginning.
Hi, hello. Can you tell us more about the shoot of Huwag Kang Titingin? I heard tapos na siya.
Yes, I mean, the shooting from What I'm Thinking In is now officially finished, so I'm super, super excited for you guys to see the results without a doubt. But yeah, it's my first film, so I really experienced everything as an artist, you know, taping chair, long days of taping, of course. But yeah, and really just, I learned so much in regards to my acting skills, of course. So I really honed in on my skills and many workshops for it. And yes, I'm excited for you guys.
Sandali lang. Oh, ma'am, sandali lang.
Lang po.
Hello!
Hi, Marilyn! Ingat ka palagi. God bless you. No, kiss you soon. Hi, King Joe Marie. Happy birthday sa'yo and more birthdays to come.
Kawai!
Hi, Marian. I hope to see you soon. Para ka mabuti and be a good baby girl, okay? Hi, Marian Lay. Nakita namin yung mami mo at sana paglaki mo magiging kagaya ka ni mami mo na maganda. Alright, thank you. Hi, Marian Lay. See you next time. Hi, Marian Lay. Sana nandito ka para pag-tiktok tayo. Thank you sa panonood sa akin and see you soon.
Ito, puro. Baka tayo pa magkaroon ng ano, ng photo. So we're gonna have like a popular.
Oh, walang uutot.
O, hindi nyo pinindot yung gamit. Kaloka ka, Jo. Kaloka.
Pasensya na sa buga. Parang tayo mga tao dito. Sandina. Hello? Wala kayo na. Hello, sa mga video. Wala kayo na.
Doubly parang maling ano to. Decision.
Wait kita ma! Mag-CR ka na.
Dinala niya pa talaga inamin ni ano no?
Hi, Marian Lay and King Jomar.
What's the first one?
Marian Lay.
Hello, Marian Lay, and hello, King Jomar. It's Anthony Constantino. To see you guys soon.
Thank you.
Alright, sa vlog.
Vlog.